Hello and welcome to another video using PostHog-LLM for text analytics. In this video, I'll briefly show how to identify users with very long sessions, very long conversations, for instance, with more than 24 hours. And just before I show how to do that, just a little bit of context here. The dataset I have here is the Wildchat conversational dataset. It's a real dataset with real timestamps, so I'm going to use it as a quick example. And here in this list, you see LLM task events. These are dialogues with a single user input and a model output. I can open up one of these as an example, and here you see the input from the user as well as the output from the model, and a bunch of other properties such as toxicity, domain, and session ID, for example. Now, to find users with long sessions, I will navigate here to the product's analytics page and select as my event the LLM task event. These are my dialogues. I'll also switch this to, not necessary, but I'll switch this to unique sessions. And now the dataset, the Wildchat dataset contains conversations between April 23 and April 24. So I will adjust the view here. So a custom fixed date range to, I'll go back here to April of 23. I'll select this one and go forward till here. Okay, and here I can also see, so I see here the trend over time for the number of unique sessions. Now, the first step to find users with sessions longer than 24 hours is to use a filter. And the filter I will use is here in the sessions tab. I'll select sessions duration greater than 24 hours, not seconds. Okay. And here I see all sessions that match the filter. And for example, here on April, there's 248 sessions, conversations, with over 24 hours of duration. So I'll go inside here. So it's loading. I can see, for example, for the first user, and here in the LLM events tab, I have a conversation. Seems to be very, very large. So yeah, it's very large. So it's a user who started its first interaction on April of 9 and ended on, let's see, April 13. So 4 days. Okay, that's really long. And so to identify my long session users, all I have to do is to save this as a cohort. So it will save all these users with who match the filter, and I can save this, for example, as April 24, April long session users, for example. Now, if I want to identify instead of just just users from April, I can to select all the users from all the data. I can change this from a line chart, which is a time series, to a total value view, for example, number. So I have 2,400 conversations longer than 24 hours, and I can click here. So it's loading all users with all their corresponding conversations, and I can save this as a cohort, for example, users long sessions, and hit save. And now I have identified my long session users. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. I will keep uploading more videos. See ya!